morning, guys. It is October 23rd. It is Halloween party day. I have on a very appropriate Halloween shirt with a cardigan that totally doesn't match because today is gonna be cold and it's raining. But whatever, everyone will still have a good time. And I just am now uploading and editing and getting my YouTube video out, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be a little late. Hopefully not. It just depends on how long it takes to buffer and upload over there. So I'm working on that. Jim and Emily just took my son Patrick to pick up his very first car that he's been saving and working for forever. So I'm excited for that. This is like such a big day for him. He has been anticipating this day for years now and working multiple jobs, putting in so much time and effort to save for his new car. So that's exciting. And what else? Madison has a game this morning, and a friend of mine who's actually one of the coaches on the team is taking her to the game, which is really helpful for me because it's an away game. It's like an hour from home and I just still need to do things. So last night we went to the liquor store and I picked up prizes for the costume contest, which I didn't even put together the costume contest stuff. I don't know why, I just didn't even think of it. So I wanna go to the dollar store this morning. We need to get some just like those little, I guess they're like mini shot glasses. They're like the little plastic containers that you would put like mustard or ketchup or something in. But my husband makes these pumpkin spice pudding jello shots every year, and it's just been a thing that people really look forward to. They're actually really delicious. So I need to get the containers for that, and I also just want to get something to go along with the prizes that I got at the liquor store for the contest. So just have a little bit of running around to do this morning, and then I'm going to start setting up the party room. So it's going to be a fun day, and also I am feeling so much better. Hopefully the headache doesn't come back, but so far so good this morning, and that's exciting. I have like no makeup on too, so I apologize. I figure since I'm gonna be getting ready later and putting on like a full face of makeup and doing my hair and stuff, I'm just kind of not putting in the time this morning, so it is what it is. All right, I'm going to eat some breakfast and then head to the dollar store. I just set up the costume contest area so everyone can vote here, and then they put their votes in this little jack-o'-lantern. And for the group prize, we have this case of Bud Light Seltzer, and it's the fall theme. If you can see, they all look like flannels, which is really cute. And then for the individual prizes, we have these bottles of Fulton's Harvest Pumpkin Pie, and it's just like this cream liquor. I don't know how to say that word, and it's just really, really good. And then I have these, they're actually to put on a doorknob, and I got them at the dollar store, and I just thought they were cute to just throw on top. So those will be the giveaways this year. And here's my little setup for people to vote. I just have to grab some pens to leave out, and that's always fun. And this is really funny. I have these Mickey Mouse Halloween stickers. They're super cute. And then we got these house wine boxes of wine. So I have Pinot Noir and Cabernet. And I put some of my Mickey Mouse stickers coming out of the house to make it like a creepy haunted house, but also with Mickey Mouse. I thought that was really cute. So those are all set up. And then over here, my husband started to set up the kegerator with the seltzers and all of the different flavors that we have. And we ordered these little pumps to go along with it so people can choose their flavor. So that'll be fun. We have quite a variety to choose from over here. We still have a bit of work ahead of us though. Usually we open up this whole area because this is like usually the dance floor, and we like to have it open for people to dance. I'm thinking I might want to roll up the rug too because I don't want people spilling things on the rug, and the floor is super easy just to mop up. So we might have to roll up the carpet and put it away. And then we move one of the couches over against this wall over here. So still some stuff to do. Everyone's not going to be home though until later on this afternoon. So I'm doing what I can on my own, but a lot of like setting up the tables and things, it's just too heavy for me to do alone. So I'm muddling through. I do not like having the treadmill over here. I'm not sure what to do with it yet. I'm probably gonna maybe cover it with something. I have these are the things that like you hang on the wall and it creates a whole scene, and we have a ton left over from previous years. So maybe I'll do something like that in the background here just to cover that up. Okay, so I redid this area and I hung up a bunch of those, I don't know what they're called, but it's just the wool art that you hang up to hide unsightly things. So I thought this was really cute. It hides the treadmill and that whole area. So here's the thing about party days. You get up early and you start to do things and you feel like you have all the time in the world, and then before you know it, it's like an hour before the party and you still have a million things to do and you're not even showered and ready yet. I feel like that is always the way. Right now, I am just waiting for everyone else to get home because most of the things left to do I can't do on my own, like moving furniture around, and my husband has to blow the leaves so I can set up tables outside because, again, I want to try to have this outside as much as possible. Even though it's going to be 40 degrees tonight, we'll have a bonfire and we have like a heating lamp and stuff like that, so that'll help. We'll see. It is what it is at this point. I try to make this party as safe as possible. If you're following me on Patreon, I talked about that in a previous day in the life video over there. So I feel very comfortable and I'm really excited. So they'll be home soon. Patrick has his new car. He's so excited and I can't wait to see him and see his new car. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I need to find something for lunch because I am getting really hungry. And there's a squirrel right outside of the window. I can't believe these guys didn't notice it yet. As soon as they notice it, they're gonna go nuts. This morning, my husband brought all of the cushions inside the kitchen to dry off. So yeah, we gotta put those back away. It was raining this morning, but it seems to have stopped now, so we'll put those out for tonight. And then I just brought this in. I need to wash it. This is for a drink that we're making, so I want to use that today as well. So everyone's back. They picked up Patrick's car. Very exciting. He is just in his glory today, having so much fun. But we moved the couches on either side of the room to open this up. My husband didn't want to move the rug, so we're hoping for the best with that. And we still have some work to do. I have to hang this clown up probably like above the door here is usually where we put it. And then, guess what? It's raining and I just put out all the patio furniture. And I set up tables back here for food so people will have a place to put things that they bring or make. And then this table here, this really long table, we're going to put the 6-foot sub on. And then I'm making a taco dip. And then I have my cheese bowl with crackers that I'm going to put out here as well. And we're kind of moving right along. We have this area here is where the keg's going to go. I set up my little wine station there. And we're getting there. It's already 3 o'clock and I really would like to be in the shower by 5 if I could. This way it gives me an hour to get ready, an hour to food prep and take pictures and just like get everything ready for the party. And we also still have to set up the photo booth. So there's stuff to do. On the big screen here, we're gonna have, usually we have pictures from previous parties, but this year I think we're gonna do old-fashioned black and white horror movies, just kind of going all night on the screen, so that'll be a lot of fun. There's a lot going on in the kitchen here. The girls are making deviled eggs, so it's all set up and ready to go. It smells great. Yeah, I love that smell.
Egg and vinegar.
Oh yeah. The deviled eggs are done. They look good. Okay, so I'm making the spider web taco dip. I already dumped the refried beans in there, so I just have that in there. And then I'm going to put in a packet of the taco sauce that usually comes with the taco kits. And then also 2 tablespoons of the taco seasoning that comes with the taco kit. And I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm just gonna put it to the side and heat it up later. Once I heat it up, I can put the guacamole on top, and then we have black ripe olives, shredded cheese, and I'm gonna use this squirt bottle to put the sour cream, and then I'm gonna make like the shape of a spider web and put a spider ring in the middle. So I think it'll be really cute. You serve it with tortilla chips, and I'm just gonna get this part prepped so that it'll be easier to throw it together later. I just unwrapped my pumpkin cheese bowl. I think it looks okay. I put the stem in the middle from the orange pepper that I had, and I just put some crackers around it. And now I'm getting ready to finish my taco spider web dip. So this is kind of what it's supposed to look like. I don't know. I think I can attempt it. I'm trying to figure out how you make that web, but it should be good. Okay, we have about an hour till party time. I started doing my hair and makeup. I just put my hair like in a high ponytail, and I still have to finish up some makeup. I put on a button-down shirt so that I could continue doing stuff around the house, and then when I'm ready to change, I don't have to like mess up my hair and stuff. But now I have to do lipstick, fake lashes, and put on my costume. And then the dip that I'm making has to be served warm, so that's gonna be like my very, very last thing. I laid out all the ingredients, I chopped everything up. So that's ready. We have a 6-foot sub, and it's outside on the table. And guess what? The dogs got into it. Yeah, that was fun. Luckily, I was able to save it, but they probably got at least a good foot of it. And then I had to like cut off the end and make sure everything was sanitary and clean and throw out anything that they could have possibly touched. So that was annoying, but anyway, I have them in the living room now, and I'm going to be giving them their bones soon when people start arriving so that they're occupied. And yeah, so just an hour to go. I have to start getting myself together. Here's the dip. I think it looks pretty cute, not too bad. And that's the last of it. So 15 minutes to go. I'm still not ready. Okay, it is 5 minutes to 7. I just got dressed. Here's the costume. I'll show you guys better in my closet. I struggled with the lashes, really struggled. I don't even know what they look like right now. I ended up putting them on multiple times and then just like finally clipping them in the corner and putting them on. So just have my hair in a ponytail. I couldn't figure out what else to do for the olive oil costume, and it is go time. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for today, but let me show you guys the costume really quick. So here's the costume, and it's time for the party. What do you think? Make the face. Perfect. All right, it's party time. Let's do it. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. It's time to go enjoy the party. So thank you so much for coming along, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.